Yo, today we'll feature Akko's new switch with the collaboration of HMX, the Mirror, and Stellar Row switches. Akko's Mirror and Stellar Row switches come in around 1,580 pesos for 2 packs, which is around $27 and $98 for my international viewers. The Mirror focuses on no-foam builds and gives a bright clacky sound, while the Stellar Roses give you that deep clacky sound. They remind me of yin and yang complementing one another. For the mirror switches, the top housing consists of PA12 material. The bottom housing is a 5-pin consisting of modified nylon. The stem is made of POC, which gives that very smooth feel with an exceptional factory lube out of the box. And the springs are around 37 grams. Similarly, the Stellar Rose has a PA12 top housing. The bottom housing is also made of PA12 plastic and 5-pin. With the stem made out of T5 with the same amazing factory lube. And has the same spring weight of 37 grams. For the board today, I chose the KFA Freebird TKL. This is a great keyboard to test out these switches as it takes long switches well with a POM Plate and its top mount configuration. I tried doing an O-ring mount, but the switches keep popping out due to the lack of friction that the switch is made with a PCB. You can't skip this short interlude of the build with a sound test in this timestamp. And this is a sound test of Akko's mirror switches. Tearing down the board, we will now use the Stellar Row switches. I will only be swapping the alphas and modifiers to make this relatively quick. And this is a sound test of Akko's Stellar Row switches. So my thoughts on these switches are that they are great for people who type a lot because of the weight and smoothness these switches provide. The mirror switches were great for clacky builds, but they were a bit too loud for my taste. The Stellar row switches were more up in my alley as they gave that desired clack that I favored. Overall, they are a nice pick if you desire that signature HMX clack on a budget, or maybe lazy looping switches. But that is all for me. Kindly like and subscribe as this helps a lot. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description for the switches. Peace.